Do you struggle to pronounce Portuguese words that combine consonants and R's? If you do, today's lesson is for you. Olá, pessoal! Are you ready to conquer those tricky consonant-R combinations in Portuguese? Well, today you are going to learn a useful tip that even native speakers benefit from it that will help you pronounce words that have consonant-R combinations. So, let's begin. As you probably know, the letter R has some diverse ways to be pronounced, depending on its position in a word, if it's a single or double R, in some cases depending on the speaker's accent. But when the letter R comes right after a consonant in the same syllable, it is R. R. It's the same R sound we'll find between vowels. That's why it's important that we practice the R sound between vowels first. So here we have ara, ara. The sound, the R sound I'm making is similar to the American reduction of T in words like water, water, r, r, water. You want the tip of your tongue to tap the roof of your mouth once. R, r, r. Yeah? So repeat after me. Ara, ara. Ere, ere. Iri, iri. Oro, oro. Uru, uru. Great! Now we can move on to words that have the consonant-R combination. Let's begin with the BR sequence. Brasil. When I say bra, bra, I make the same R sound I made when saying ara, ara, bra, bra. So the trick here is to add a vowel between the consonant and the R, but not any vowel. Add the same vowel that comes after R. So we'll have Brasil, Brasil. Say the word, the new word, slowly twice. Brasil, Brasil. Good. Now we speed things up a little, huh? Brasil, 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 Brasil. Yeah, so the idea is to say it slowly and then you speed it up a little until you do it. Another word. Obrigado. Remember first to add a vowel between the consonant and the R. In this case, we must add an I. Obrigado. So say it slowly twice. Obrigado. Obrigado. Now let's speed it up. Obrigado, 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 obrigado. Try it. Next. Dezembro. Add the vowel. Say it twice slowly and then speed it up. Dezembro. 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 Now with the CR sequence. Oh, what's that, Bia? That means raw, as in not cooked. So add the vowel, in this case, U. Curu. Curu. Let's speed up. Curu, cru, cru. Next. Crédito. Crédito. Crédito, 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 crédito. Now with the DR sequence. Pedra, 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 pedra. Next. That means glass, the material. Vidro, 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 vidro. How about the FR combination? Oh, chicken. Frango. Frango. Speed up. Frango, frango, frango. Firito. Firito. Firito, firito, frito. Oh, fried chicken. Frango frito. GR sequence. That means grass. Grama. Grama. Grama, grama, grama. Alegre. Alegre. Alegre, alegre, alegre. Oh, I wish I could hear you. Now the PR sequence. Professora. Professora. Professora, professora, professora. Prazer. Prazer. Prazer, prazer, prazer. Prazer. Let's try it with the TR sequence. Trabalho. Trabalho. Trabalho, 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 trabalho. Metrô. Metrô. Metrô, 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 metrô. Finally, word with a VR combination. Livro. Livro. Livro, livro, livro. Palavra. Palavra. Palavra, palavra, palavra. Palavra. In the pinned comment, there are some tongue twisters for you to have fun with while practicing. Tell me later how well you did. And here's another lesson on pronunciation that will help you keep improving. Thank you for watching another lesson. See you next time. Até a próxima. Tchau!